Most of you guys know already, we have a new Honda here on the channel. And yeah, we took the car the other night to go and test it. And unfortunately, a problem revealed itself. I'm just gonna show you guys. So, you guys see, I'm in the car right now. What's this? The car has no clutch at all. And we did change the master and slave cylinder. Which means there's only one more problem that I can think of. And it's a difficult one to sort out. But it's most likely the clutch or the pressure plate. So the gearbox has to come out. It's gonna be a difficult job. It's my first time working on FN2 like this, taking the gearbox out and stuff and the engine. But yes, I'm excited guys, and I hope you are also. So I'm just gonna get into other clothes and then can sort out that car. I was watching a few YouTube videos that showed this panel here in front like splits in half kind of. Then you pull the motor a bit forward and then lift it out. But yeah, it's a bit more difficult than doing like on a Civic, a normal older Civic. But I think this will be a nice experience working on a K. And then yeah, we can see what the K series actually looks like guys. This is my first time actually working on a K. I've never worked on a K series ever. Big FN2 light. This light is out now. Now it's time to take all this front nose panel stuff is off. It actually isn't taking as long as I thought. I thought it was going to take like minutes. Radiator is out guys. Now it's taking off the loom and stuff in the mountings and pushing this car back, and we can suck the motor, not suck it out, pull the motor out. But I mean 2 hours, yeah, 2 hours we've been busy. But I mean like the car is stripped into pieces, so it didn't take actually long. So here's the engine pulley thing. You guys see that? Yeah, but this is the thingy. So I'm gonna connect the chain up to here and stuff, and then we can pull this motor out. I'm just taking making a few stuffs loose still. That pipes at the back. Then we can push the car back, make mountings loose, and then well, actually first make something faster around the engine. Then mountings can come loose. And we can lift this bastard out.
When we get to the mounting, then you do this.
This kan mounting kan.
Those speelies are.
Jadi ni kan yung murut dari ko.
Those is good. So the trolley was over. Basali.
Engine is out now. I'm gonna quickly take off the gearbox and then yeah, we're done for the day. Stuckies. Yes, yes. The clutch is gone. Go here. There's a piece of it.
This is a pretty split on the work.
Well, because I can fast.
Fire was also
Ja.
there.
But okay.
Right, bro. Schiet los.
Ooh, pieces. He's gone. Rest in peace, my brother. Gone. Look at that, guys. This is the remains. You. Alright, everybody. It's a couple of days later after we got the gearbox and stuff taken off. You see, it's laying the engine out. Here is the flywheel and clutch and stuff, pressure plate. See, we got here the clutch. See him fresh. Also scheme the flywheel as well as pressure plate. So everything is gonna be fresh on the clutch wise on this car. Make sure you guys also like and subscribe and comment down below. I'm still not sure what mods to do on this car since the previous video, but yeah, there you guys have it. Engine is out. Stay tuned for when we put this engine back in with the new clutch. I'm gonna go and test the car, feel how it feels, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.